Good morning, 4th grade. This is your week preview for October 12th through 16th. I'm just going to be going over some of the more major grades that you have this week and giving you any advice or anything I can to help you along with it. So for 4th grade and ELA, on Friday you're going to have a test or an assessment where you're going to be thinking about different texts. So it says in this session you have compared several texts, including a fictional story and an informational text. Good readers compare texts in order to gain a deeper understanding of the topic. Information in one text might challenge or support what they read in another. They know it's important to get more than one perspective on a subject before making their own decisions about it. You can make comparison between texts you read on your own. Remember to write the titles of your books in your reading log. So in here you're going to be having an assessment where you're going to be comparing text, and you can compare two stories that you know, that you like, that you read, anything like that. You're going to be using and focusing on what is the main idea of those texts, okay? Math is just going to be quick checks this week, but it is going to be quick checks on factors, multiples, primes, and composites. Now this probably is brand new information to you in 4th grade. So please use my website, and I'm going to be emailing you some videos also, but pretty much all the videos I email you is already on my website, so it makes it easier for you to find. So since these are fairly new areas in math, go to your 4th grade right here. And don't stress, cause prime, composite, factors, multiples, they're not that difficult. As long as you know how to multiply your basic facts, you're pretty much good. So, factors. I have a lot of videos about factors here. I suggest watching every one of these videos about factors. They will definitely help you, especially this one. This one's a great one. This one right here, I'll show you an easy way on how I do factors, and I'll give you some more on factors. Down here, I'm going to be adding some more videos about what's prime and composite and multiples, and I'm going to be making some videos for you there. So you're going to have quick checks on factors and multiples, okay? So just watch those videos, and I promise that they will help you out a lot. In science, on Friday, another Friday one, you're going to have how do collisions show energy. So a tip for your science and social studies stuff, just scroll. I mean, you need to read everything on the page, but scroll to the very bottom, and there will be usually information there that will help you out at the bottom. It'll tell you that this is what you need to have in your answers. It's going to be asking about a pool table, and like when you're shooting a cue ball at other balls. Check out these, just answer these briefly and make sure you have these answered, and you should be good to go. If there's any information at the bottom up under it, check that out too, and that will help you out also. So just make sure to scroll to the bottom before you answer any questions, and sometimes there may be things to read there that give you the answer. Like I've noticed in social studies, it'll say many times, if you got the answer wrong, read this, and you can actually go ahead and read it before you actually answer the question. So if you actually read those articles they provide, or if you get it wrong, it really helps you out. So nothing too major this week, just the math, sharing you with the factors, multiples, prime, and composite. And I'm going to be trying to make my own videos to help you out with that also. But like I said, don't stress over it. This isn't something crazy or anything like that. Just keep on making sure to use some type of program. You can either use the Freckle that I gave you or your Imagine Math, and just make sure you're practicing those math multiplication facts every day. That's going to be what helps you out the most. And if you need to know how to get the Freckle, you go to my website, go to the top, Learning Apps and Programs, and you have your own Freckle login right here. You just use your name as your login, and there'll be, I think you can do a fact check. I think it's called Quick Facts. It'll be on the far right side whenever you log in. Prodigy is also great just for regular math, but definitely stick with those math facts and be checking out my website for videos, and hopefully that should help you. Alright, thanks everyone. Have a good day.